Hello student, good morning to all. Today I am going to take lecture of 12th class and today's topic capacitance of parallel plate capacitor with conducting slab between plate. Consider a parallel plate capacitor of plate area capital A and separation between plate is D. This is a parallel plate capacitor. One plate consists positive Q charge and second plate consists minus Q charge. As there is a vacuum between the plate, as you know, the electric field intensity E naught equal to sigma upon epsilon naught, where sigma is the surface charge density and epsilon naught is the permittivity of free space, permittivity of vacuum. And the capacitance of this parallel plate capacitor C naught equal to A epsilon naught upon D. But when a conducting slab of thickness T placed between the plate, then the free electron moving inside the conducting slab so as the electric field intensity inside the plate reduced to 0. It means electric field intensity inside a conducting slab is 0. It means the electric field intensity lie only in vacuum region on either side of this slab. It means the electric field intensity lie on the region it is D. So this space is remaining space in vacuum is D minus T. It means electric field intensity remain only in this region. This is vacuum region. Okay, so the potential difference between the plate V equal to, it is potential difference between plates of capacitor is given as V equal to E naught D minus T. So V equal to the value of E naught equal to sigma upon epsilon naught D minus T, and the value of sigma Q upon A D minus T. As you know, sigma equal to Q upon A. So V equal to Q upon epsilon naught D minus T. So A epsilon naught and D minus T equal to Q upon A, Q upon V, and Q upon V equal to the capacitance of capacitor, because as you know Q equal to CV and C is equal to Q upon V. So capacitance of capacitor when a conducting slab placed between the plate C equal to A epsilon naught upon D minus T. When we multiply and divide by D, it means C equal to A epsilon naught upon D and D upon D minus T. and AFL node upon D is the value of capacitance when there is a vacuum between plate. So C equal to C D upon D minus T is D upon D minus T into C node. Okay, so C equal to D minus T plus C node. It means the value of capacitance of a capacitor will increase when a conducting slab placed between the plate, and the value of capacitance is increased by the factor D upon D minus T times of the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. Okay, it means if we want to increase the value of capacitance, we can put a conducting slab between plate, and by putting a conducting slab of thickness T, the conductivity the capacitance of this capacitor is increased by the factor D upon D minus T, where D is the separation between the plate of capacitor and T is the thickness of slab. I hope you understood. We have to do numerical based on this formula, and in my next video I will explain the remaining topic of this chapter. Thank you very much.